Stock number 40424P. It's a 2014 Kia Soul. It is a rollover. It does have a key. It does not start. As you can see, it's got super bad front end damage. Radiator's bent. The hood's up there. None of them doors are no good. Quarter panel's no good. This tail light right here's got a little surface scratch on it. The deck lid's good. Quarter panel's no good. The doors are no good. The steering wheel airbag's deployed. And the passenger back seat belt is locked. Can't even get to it because of this glass. The AC is damaged. That door won't even open. There is no door really. And this is stock number 40424P. It's 2014 Kia Soul.